Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the tangent to a curve, a straight line that touches the curve at exactly one point. By the end of this video, you'll know the gradient rule and the perpendicular to radius rule for circles. Definition: a tangent is a straight line that touches a curve at exactly one point without crossing it. At the point of contact, the gradient of the tangent equals the gradient of the curve. For a circle specifically, the tangent at any point is perpendicular to the radius drawn to that point. Key insight: for a curve, find the gradient of the curve at the point of contact, using differentiation at A-level or by inspection at GCSE. That's the gradient of your tangent line, and for a circle, the tangent gradient is the negative reciprocal of the radius gradient, because they're perpendicular. Common confusion: a tangent touches at exactly one point. It just kisses the curve. A chord cuts through the circle at 2 points. Don't mix the two. The tangent is the limiting case of a chord as the two crossing points merge into one. Quick example: circle radius 5 with a tangent at the point 3, 4. The radius gradient, the rise over run from the origin to 3, 4, equals 4 over 3. So the tangent gradient, which is the negative reciprocal, is minus 3 over 4, perpendicular every time on any circle.